Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use the assertions in Jmeter tool. There are four mainly using assertions in Jmeter. One is the response assertion, most frequently using under duration assertion, size assertion, HTML assertion. Okay. Response assertion is majorly checking to the response code and response text. Duration, how much time will be taken to the you need to hit the request to the server and you need to verify. Size is how many bytes of the data you need to send it, and HTML the specific request is HTML format or not, you need to checking. Okay, that is the four is the intention. This four is the assertions mostly using for the in Jmeter tool. Okay, first you need to go to the in Jmeter script. Okay, this is the Jmeter script. Okay, uh, first of all I created the test plan and thread group, just one user only I will given. Okay, and is HTTP request I will given to the this application livecharger.org and get method slash archive slash means this is the tab I pressed and I will take this additional data. Okay, additional request. Okay, I will create the small request only. First of all you need to check to the I will add it to the view results tree and view result table and assertion results will showing from clear up the data. Okay, first I'm already added to the response assertion. You need to enable this one. Okay, in response assertion the specific request I will given to the 200 means successful message or not checking purpose. I'm already selected settings main sample only. The type is response code equals. Okay, equals only will pass 200. Okay, I will given 200. Just you need to execute what is showing. Yeah, it's success now. The response code is 200. Okay, that reason it's success. This is the way you need to exactly what the response code will be executed. Otherwise you can go to the response assertion. You need to check to the text response. In text response, which page you need to verify na, that page you need to right click and you need to take any specific text or unique text and give it to this place, and that way you need to verify. And you can use the response message. Any messages anything will become that type of data text messages you need to give in response header. Any you need to check anything response header, that response header also you need to provide it and you need to check with the less than greater than a HTML tag based one. Okay, after this methods you need to clearly understand pattern matching rules. One is the contain matches equals substring not or. Means contains means you need to match anything. Example, you need to provide the two three words. Anything one word will be matched, it's pass. Okay, anything one you need to match, no, it's pass. Contain matches. Matches means what is the data will be provided. You need to match exactly. Okay, example you will provide the two words, one word will be matches na, yeah, it's matched, there is no any problem. Equals means exactly what you need to give in same value only need to came only which be passed. Substring means example I am already added to the one response session, you need to add another response session na, that time you need to select the substring. And first one you need to select the equal, second one you need to select the substring, that time you need to verify to the second one response also. Not example equals exactly need to matched, you can select the not means equals not quite opposite will be work, except 200 anything will become pass. Or equals or means you need to select it this way now, anything two substrings is available, response session 1 and response session 2, That time or you need to select a equals or. First one will be matched, second one is not matched but it's pass. Okay, that is the way will be work. Okay, that's the purpose you need to use it. Most of these scenarios will be using to the this response assertion only. Okay, you need to learn this one. This is the first one, response assertion. And once is executed in this place, it just generally will execute a response code will be showing and response message a request and a response will showing. You can go to the response table na. This is the response time. Response time means how much time will be taken to the executed. Okay, after bytes, it's a pass or fail, and bytes means how much of size of the file will be executed. Send bytes, it's a network how much of bytes you need to send. Latency means it's a network data. Once you need to request will be received first in server na, that is the latency. Connection time means in general server connection time only will provided. Okay, uh, now is the duration assertion na. Duration means time. You can disable that one. Okay, the time is 6158 na. You can provide the 6158. This is the duration will taken to the to request will be executed. You need to save this one, clear the data, go to the view result table, and you need to execute. Okay, the sample time means sample time will executed 3917 milliseconds means 3.9 seconds only. But previously executed will different time now will take long time. I will provided the 6138. It is a higher duration value will be given before value, before duration only the test will be executed. That reason only will be pass. Okay, same same duration will be executed also pass. And what is the duration you will provided and before will be executed also pass. This is that both the way need to pass. And there is a three main parts: main sample and subsample will be checking to the your request, or main sample only and subsample only. You can set the main sample only, by default will become. This the way you need to check to the in duration session. You need to check the your application, how much time will be taken to you need to request a response will be able to came. Okay, and you can disable this one. You can go to the size means this one bytes, 57,431 bytes. Table 57,431. Okay, I will provide the equal value only. 57,431 I will provide it. I need to save. The method is, this is the size assertion. Size means how much of bytes will be sending. It's a apply to is the main sample only. It's not required anything. Main sample is the main best one. Response size field to test is full response. Size of assertion, this one 57,431. That one is available at 57,431. It's a enable equal method I will select it. just you need to execute that one. How you need to execute it? Equal is 57 4 to 1. 57 4 to 1. The response is higher, but a low value will become, the operator will be selected equal. That is only will fail. You can remove one more time and you need to execute that one. And save and you need to execute. Yeah, now it's passed now. You can go to the table. 57 4 to 1 will become bytes. You need to check this way. You need to bytes will be checking. Okay. Last one, response, duration, size, and HTML is there. Okay. HTML assertion you need to just enable. This is just for checking the format only. Okay, I will take the request is this livecharger.org. I will show you that application. Okay, this is the livecharger.org. This application there is no any HTML tags. This one generally built to the website based only. Okay, that reason is it did not, maybe it did not showing anything. Okay, I will select the just HTML format. That's all. There is no need to select anything. Okay, you can go to the assertion results now. Maybe anything will be shown. Okay, you can show to the HTTP request. HTML assertion cannot be parsed argument number. Yeah, actually that website, I mean which URL I will take now, the specific website. You don't have any HTML assertions. I mean there is no HTML format of data. That reason only is showing to the cannot pass the argument number. Okay, the example there is a HTML format will be available in developer to that site. That time will showing to the test will be passed, the session will be passed. Otherwise she will showing different this way. Okay, you can see this one also same error only, there is no nothing else. You can see the cannot pass the argument number, same only will become. Okay, there is no HTML format of data. That reason only will be failed. Okay, these are the ways you need to check to your application. Assertions used to response, duration, size, HTML. But most of the time you can use the response assertions only. Most of web and cloud and desktop applications. Any specific applications you need to able to test, yeah, you can use these three also. And you need to execute and you need to find out the issues. Okay. Yeah, yeah, this four only, this video. Just I will show you how to use assertions in Jmeter tool. That purpose only I will created this four assertions, mostly using for most of the projects. Response assertion and duration assertion and size assertion and HTML. Mainly, what is the assertion? Assertion is a server under test, and you can return to the expected results. Means the verifications, everything will be done to the in server side only, not for the client side, server side, and he will provide the results. Means that one is pass or fail, that one will be showing. That is the main reason, is the verification purpose only or checking purpose only will using to the assertion. Okay, this video, that's all. It's a ending. Thank you very much everyone.